Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new DeWalt subcompact 20-volt max bandsaw. And that's the really cool thing about this saw. It gives you 20-volt max power in a very lightweight, compact bandsaw. It has a 1 3/4 inch capacity, and it weighs 7 pounds 13 ounces with a 4 amp hour 20-volt max battery. So this is going to give you the power of a 20-volt max tool as opposed to a 12-volt tool that you would find in most of the subcompact bandsaws. And it has a guard. Okay, we'll take this off real quickly. Nice metal latches. You open it up, and there's your blade. You see, if you have a guard like this, that means that you can use it for overhead work, which makes it much more useful. Let me turn it on for a second and show you. It has a very nice variable speed trigger. You can go very, very slow and quite fast. It features a little brush to brush off your wheel right here as it's going around. So let's latch this up and see what this baby can do. Okay, so here we have 1/2 inch EMT, and this is a 12/14 TPI. That's 2 teeth per inch blade. It's going to be a rough starting cut, and then it's going to go really fast. That's the characteristic of 12/14. There you go. That's a nice quick cut. So here we have some 3/4 inch EMT. Okay, here's some 1 inch EMT. I'm using the 12/14. So the start can be a little bumpy. There you go. It's a nice clean cut. So now I'm going to change over from the 12/14 TPI blade to an 18 TPI blade. And what you do is you move this lever all the way back. Okay, that takes the tension off the blade. And then you take these latches off and open it up. Okay, so here's your blade right here. And just take it out. Okay, that's your 12/14 TPI blade. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in, put it through one of the guides, come around, go around this wheel like that. Okay, got it in there, got it in there. There. Okay, now we're going to use this lever to cinch it down. That tightened it up. Okay, now I'm going to put the battery on. I'm going to give it just a little bit of spin here. All right, that looks really good. So I'm going to close it up. And latch it. Okay, now this is going to give us a much smoother start, but then it's not going to be as aggressive or fast as the 12/14 TPI. So here we have 1/2 inch EMT. It's the 18 TPI blade. The 18 TPI is a lot easier to work with, and all in all, it's much faster. It's not as aggressive, but it starts faster, So you'll get an overall faster cut. Here's a 3/4 EMT with the 18 TPI blade. All right, it's very nice. It's very fast. And let's try the 1-inch. Okay, so this is the 1-inch EMT with 18 TPI. So basically the 18 TPI blade will give you a smoother start, but then it's going to be slower for a bigger piece of EMT like the 1-inch. But overall, I would probably recommend the 18 TPI over the 12/14 unless you have some bigger pipes and you just need some faster, more aggressive cutting. This saw comes with a hang hook. And right here you have a handy hex head wrench. It'll allow you to adjust the tracking of the blade right here, and it also allows you to loosen up the guide. This also fits in here. So they give you a nice hex head wrench that fits right in there like that. If you want to put your DeWalt tracking system on here, it goes right here. This bandsaw can also easily cut 1 5/8 inch 12 gauge strut. So all in all, you have a really lightweight, easy to use, subcompact saw. Make really nice cuts for you. Tell you what, I really like this saw. Current prices for this bandsaw are $197 for the bare tool and $299 for the kit, which includes a contractor bag, a charger, and the 4 amp hour battery. I'll put links in my video description for both the bare tool and for the kit. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.